So, for breakfast is served. So today I'm having bran muffin that I made on day 6. Spinach and cheese omelette. So I'm using up that spinach from that haul, finally. I had leftover English muffins, so I'm having one half, Jay's having the other, with some butter and some hot sauce. And that is my breakfast this morning, along with the coffee. Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of the Pantry Cleanout Meals. I'm making lunch now. It's kind of going to be in my little snack plate, so it's a mismatch of everything. So let's just check out what I'm making. Okay, so I am making lunch with what I have. There's things I need to be eaten up. So we're going to have some carrot jello salad. That's all we have left from that, from day 6. Banana, 2 last bananas. We have no more bananas. We got probiotic yogurts. We have 2 more left in the fridge. That big bag of spinach, I'm finally going to use it up. Well, some of it up. So just put it a little bit in the bowl, just because we like to finger food it, you know, just eat it like that. So I might drizzle something on it, a little bit of salt and pepper, and maybe a little drizzle of salad dressing. And like I said, I took a Vlasic pickle on top. So that's that. Now I'm just going to take this cheese, a little piece of cheese, just to add a little bit more to that spinach finger food. See, we like to grab it like this and just eat it, right? But this is just a quick meal with things I have left over in my fridge. And I want to finish things off because grocery day is in 2 days from now. So I'll be picking up a few things. It's not going to be a big grocery haul, but I'll be doing a grocery haul this weekend. For sure. So I had stuff in my cupboard, not just my pantry. This is my bag of puffs. So I'm just going to finish off this bag to get it out of my cupboard. Kind of Mosh Podge snack kind of deal, right? I was going to keep this for a night when I'm watching a movie. I got this for Christmas in one of my stockings. It's a spicy sausage Slim Jim. So I'm going to put half and half for the both of us. So I'm going to share that with Jay. Just like that. Jay wants a little Caesar on his, so give him Caesar. Just like that. I, on the other hand, will just add a little bit of salt to it, and I'd just eat it like that. Just a little bit. So, magic salt. Magic salt. And that's going to be our snack plate for the afternoon. Different kinds of things, variety of different things. That's what I'm doing. Nice and easy. And I got rid of the stuff that's in my cupboard. Got rid of the stuff that's in my fridge. And the leftovers are done. Well, it's dinner time. And I'm going to use up some of those chow mein noodles from my must-eat pantry. And add some sweet Thai to it. And I'm going to eat up those wonderful sausages from yesterday. I had 2 put aside for today. I'm going to make a stir fry. Found some peppers, a couple peppers in the freezer. I usually take them out. I had a big bag of it and take some out and throw it into recipes like eggs and stuff, right? So I'm going to use them up, get them out of my freezer. And I'm going to eat some more of that spinach that I bought. Because we want some vegetables in our diet this week. So let's make a stir fry. Now I'm going to add those orange peppers. There's not many there, guys. I just add a couple of these to my eggs in the morning, or just throw them into recipes and stuff, right? But we're just going to use them up. Get rid of them. I'm just going to put it on really low because I still have to do the chow mein noodles. I'm just waiting for the water to boil in the other pot. So this was in my must-eat pantry. It's sweet Thai chili, and it's due. So we're gonna use it up, or use some of it up. I don't think I'll use the whole container. I'll probably use it this week sometime. But I will use it up now. I don't think I've tried this, so I'm gonna try it out actually. See if I like it. It's good. It's more like a plum sauce with a little bit of heat. Not bad. That'd be a good dipping sauce for like a whole bunch of things, actually. Chicken balls, chicken, shrimp. Oh my gosh, I like that. Why didn't I open that sooner? So if you watch my grocery hauls, you'll see that twice I got some good deals. Once I bought a big bag of hash browns at the Metro. No, sorry, at the Food Basics for $10. A big, big bag, right? And then I went to Frugal's and in another haul, that's the discount store haul, my last one, and she had two big bags of hash brown patties like this for $3 a bag. So I have hash browns in abundance right now. So I'm going to take 4 of them and put them in the air fryer. So that's going to be a side tonight to go with our meal. So as you know, the big bag, the big $10 bag, I like to portion them out and put them in another bag that's smaller. Instead of having this big giant bag in one freezer, I'll have them lengthwise in a bag of bread bag. And I put parchment paper in between each one so they don't stick together and they're easier to take apart when they're frozen. This is what I have left from that $10 bag. But I still have those two $3 bags. So I'm good for a long time. Long time. Okay, so I have half a package of these Chinese style chow mein noodles. These you get them pretty cheap. They're usually like $1, maybe $1.99, depending on when you get them. So there's actually 2 parts in here. There's usually 4 parts, but so 1 and 2, and the chow mein noodles are now done from my must-eat pantry. So I probably still have some in my other pantry. I haven't checked yet, but my must-eat pantry is now without chow mein noodles. I'll have to check if I need it. If I do, I'll have to buy them again because I like these chow mein noodles. So I set the timer for 5 minutes. And I wait. Okay, so there's quite a bit of fat in there. Or oil, grease, whatever. Right there. So I could just add some of my eggs. So I'm going to take 2 eggs. And just drop it in the middle. I'm going to put some salt. A little bit of pepper. Oh, I should have used the magic salt, but magic pepper is empty. Oh no! Magic pepper needs some pepper. So I'll put some pepper here. I'm not going to put more than that because I'm going to be putting the sweet Thai chili in there. I'll wait till this egg is a little cooked together. Break the egg up. Mix it around a little bit. Start to scramble it. So the chow mein noodles are just about done. I have another minute on the timer. So we're right on schedule. Okay, so now we're just going to mix it all together. We're going to add some of that sweet Thai chili. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. I think I like that better than plum sauce. I like it because it's got that little bit of heat, and I like heat, you know. Not too much heat, just enough, right? And now I'm going to add the spinach. So a good couple handfuls, because it's going to break down. I know what you're saying. Oh, spinach, you wrecked it. I made it delicious. I'm trying to use up this bag. I got it last, almost a week ago. So it's going to be used. I know what a mess, eh? I just love it. I just love it. That's the noodles, and they're ready. It sure smells good. Now, should I put that in there, or should I put that? Yeah, you know what? You know, I'm going to keep it on the side, because I'm going to add something to it after. So a little bit more of this sauce would do it. It's not pretty, but it's going to be good. Don't diss it. Don't diss it. You haven't tried it, and I know you're going to like it if you tried it. Jay's always surprised with how my meals taste so good. And you know why it tastes so good? Because I use my magic spoon. And I put some good vibrations into it. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fabulous. Yum, yum. Okay, so that is ready. It's strained. And I'm just going to make it a little saucy to go with it. I could put soy sauce if I wanted to. I could put hoisin sauce if I wanted to. But I'm going to add a little butter. Just like that. And of course, I'm going to add some Frank's hot sauce. Because butter and Frank's hot sauce is the bomb. And we love that in this house. Now, you could do what you want with your what do you call it? Chow mein noodles. I'm sure there's spices and stuff that you like. But we love this. A little bit of salt. And I think I need some more butter. So More butter. So, yeah. Concoction queen. Let's go. I don't think there's enough hot sauce in there. So I'm going to add some more hot sauce. And here I am concocting, eh, guys? Some more Parmesan cheese from my cupboard. Dry Parmesan cheese. And, oh yeah. Y'all know how I like my chives, right? I don't have any fresh, but I do have the dehydrated. Mix that baby up. Mix it up real good. Look at that. Chow mein noodles. Yeah. Whew. And I'm going to put the lid on because the hash browns aren't ready yet. Dinner served. Yummy, yummy, yummy. But the lighting is not the best. It's kind of got a blue tinge to it, but that's dinner. Taste test time! Try to eat this before Jay gets through the door because Bella goes freaking wild. So here's that sweet Thai chili sausage mixture food, whatever I made. Oh, it tastes like I just bought this in a Chinese restaurant. I like the sauce. That is nice. That is nice. It tastes like something from a Chinese restaurant. Let me try the chow mein noodles with it. I had a craving for Chinese food. And that taste of that beautiful sauce that I put on there. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. I put a little bit of the sauce on the hash brown. And let me tell you, that is good too. So let me just put a little bit of sauce there on there. So sauce on the hash brown. That's going to be another pantry item that I'm going to buy from my other pantry. Because that sauce is good. I don't know why I waited so long to even try it. I think I got it on reduced. I'm not too sure. But it was in my stock and it was due. So, one more bite. I gotta go set the table for Jay. I'll be coming through the door soon. Well, guys, that's my day for today. Another day gone. Another day done. Well, great meals, and I'm satisfied. So be sure to come back tomorrow because tomorrow's another day of the pantry cleanout meals. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm not too sure yet. Usually I'm ahead of the game, but this time I'm not. I have no idea yet what I'm making tomorrow. So come back then and we'll see what's going to come up in this little mind of mine. I'm going to let it shine. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back again soon with another video. Bye for now.